Processing a debit memo. We're going to process a debit memo for additional service provided to a customer. First, we'll create and release a debit memo and then apply the debit memo to an invoice. To begin with, open the Invoices and Memos form. Click the New Record icon. Select Debit Memo as the document type. Next, select the customer for whom you need to create the debit memo. Validate the auto-populated information. You can change it to match your requirements. Add a description for the debit memo. On the Details tab, add a new row. The branch information is added by default. Now, add a transaction description and specify the pre-GST amount to debit. Once done, click Remove Hold. Notice that the value in the status field changes from On Hold to Balanced. Now, let's click the Release button to release the debit memo. A pop-up message will appear confirming that the release operation has been completed. Note that the status changes to Open. This means we can now apply this debit memo to an invoice. To do so, click the Pay button. The system navigates to the Payments and Applications form. Here you can apply the debit memo to a payment. Make sure that the post date and post period fields have the same dates as those set in the debit memo. Then, on the Summary area, select your preferred payment method. Remember to select the cash account. Then, on the Documents to Apply tab, make sure that the debit memo you created is shown. Once all is good, click Remove Hold. Note that the status has now changed to Balanced. Now, click the Release button to process the customer's payment of the debit memo. A pop-up message will appear to confirm that the operation has been completed. Note that the status is now changed to Closed. To verify the payment batch the system has created, go to the Application History tab and click the link in the batch number column. The Journal Transactions form opens, displaying the entries for the debit memo.